If you want to change the PS Plus subscription plan on your PS5 Pro, all you have to do is access the console settings by selecting the settings wheel icon in the top right corner, and then select users and accounts, choose account, and then scroll down and select payment and subscriptions. At this point, scroll down again and select subscription, and then choose your PlayStation Plus subscription. And then from here, you should see three options. So all you have to do is select change plan. And then now you should see the other available plans that you can change from. So if you want to upgrade it to extra, so you can select the one that you prefer. And then you should see upgrade your plan. You can select that. And then you should see you're upgrading from essentials to the other to extra, or if you're downgrading, whichever you want. All you have to do is select continue and then confirm the purchase, and now you'll have changed the subscription plan for a PS Plus subscription. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.